Hi guys, my name is Jazba. I'm a makeup artist, beauty educator, and beauty blogger. We achieved this look using all MyGlamm products. We started off prepping her skin with the MyGlamm foundation and concealer, and then we jumped in actually using this MyGlamm lipstick on her eyes, cheeks, and lips in the shade Cosmopolitan. We got pigments on her eyes using the All I Need palettes, and we finished up with, of course, the Threesome mascara and a little slick of Be Defined liquid eyeliner. We chiseled out her beautiful cheekbones using the Chisel It palette and also gave her this highlight, so she's glam to the gods, and finished off with a little bit of that same highlighter actually on her lips. So if you want to see how we achieve this look, just keep watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.
And also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated.